Wine service is a collection of nuanced service mechanics, many of which can be applied to all types of table service. The most important thing is to be warm, gracious, and welcoming. Guests are just that, guests. We should treat them as if they're visiting our home after a long journey. You should look guests in the eye when conversing, standing with shoulders squared, facing the table, and have open body language. Don't cross your arms, and don't forget to smile. When performing various actions of service, it's important to make best efforts to maintain that open body language by leveraging ambidexterity. This can be practiced at home with a spent wine bottle filled with water to develop proficient pouring with your offhand. All standard service actions can be practiced this way to avoid elbows and faces and intrusions to guests' personal space. Subtle techniques like pointing to selections on the wine list while making recommendations can help the host navigate pricing without discussing it in front of their guests. It's wise and kind to give a price range within a given category, such as a low, medium, and a high-priced option. A sommelier's job extends beyond beverage service, and a visit to the table affords opportunities to clear finished plates, refill water, replace a napkin, take a food order, or any other needed table maintenance.